Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you something that has left me completely in awe. It's March 15, 2023 and yesterday OpenAI released GPT-4, the latest generative text model, and I just can't believe how amazing it is. I have been using GPT 3.5 for a while now, and I thought it couldn't get any better than that. But GPT-4 has blown my mind away. It's by far the most advanced generative text model I have ever spoken to, and I am still trying to process everything it can do. Let's get into the details. GPT-4 is the successor to the ChatGPT 3.5 model that powers ChatGPT, and it has a few new features that changes everything. Firstly, GPT-4 stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, with the 4 representing the 4 horsemen of apocalypse. It's currently available to try out today if you are ChatGPT Pro member, but API access is behind a waitlist. Big clients are already using it in production, like Microsoft Bing Chat, Duolingo for language learning, and even at big banks to help them not collapse. That's how impressive this model is. Secondly, GPT-4 is smarter. It's described in detail on this video, but the bottom line is that it has passed the bar exam in the top 10%. Unlike GPT-3, which was in the bottom 10. That's great news for humanity because it's thinking like Shakespeare. Let's kill all the lawyers. Not just that, but it is also passing the AP exams, which is good enough to get you college credit. When it comes to programming questions like lead code, it's able to solve the easy ones but still fails the most part on the medium and hard questions. It's basically where chess engines were in early 90s. Good chess players could still beat the engines back then, but 10 years later, they didn't have a chance. That's how advanced this model is. Thirdly, GPT-4 can now handle 25,000 input words compared to about 3,000 for GPT-3. This is huge because means you can feed the AI more context relative to the task at hand. This is the feature that's going to make you homeless because now you can take the documentation for any library that you want to learn, then prompt the AI for step-by-step guide, and it creates a perfect tutorial in a matter of months, if not days. Well, start seeing documentation pages with the context-aware built-in tutorial generators that will always be up to date. Even though GPT-4 is training cutoff was in 2021, it's still capable of generating near perfect tutorials as I have experienced myself. But what's crazy is that it can do the opposite jobs as well. For example, I wrote 5 different functions and asked it to document them for me, and it did pretty good job. This means that humans don't even really need to write docs anymore. You could also use it to analyze your code, like if you have a smart contract and want to find security vulnerabilities, or it can translate code from one language to another language like a digital Rosetta Stone. In fact, website Rosetta code might be just as obsolete as for me now. And just wait a few months until GPT-4 is integrated into GitHub Copilot. It will be capable of handling far more context to make predictions that align with your specific dependencies, or possible to do project-wide AI debugging. In other words, it could become a powerful tool for improving the overall performance and accuracy of your AI projects. With the ability to handle more context, you could fine-tune your models to better reflect the nuance of your specific use case. Additionally, project-wide AI debugging could help you identify and fix issues across all your models, saving your time and improving the reliability of your AI systems. No more hunting down bugs one by one or struggling find the root cause of an issue. But of course, all of this still in the realm of possibility. We'll have to wait and see how OpenAI's research progresses and whether these ideas come to fruition. Nonetheless, it's an exciting development that could have a major implications for the field of AI and the way we develop intelligent systems. And that's it for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoy the learning about the latest breakthrough in AI development. The new approach to language modeling has the potential to revolutionize the field, making it easier for developers to create intelligent systems that can better understand and respond to our needs. As always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest technology news. And let us know in the comment section what you think of this new approach to language modeling. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.